Today I'm gonna show you if you're having problem with your heater core, as far as you're driving, you're smelling antifreeze inside the vehicle. So that indicates that you may have a leaks. It could have been in a couple things going on, but that's the main indication that you may have a leaks. And if you suspect that, so therefore you may have a problem with your heater core. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're not going to go to too much details about that, but if you have to replace your heater core, and we know this is a hard job, even if you're trying to do it yourself, yeah, you will save money in the long run, but at the same time, it's not an easy job. You can actually put it off, but we know it's not an easy job. Especially for 05 Lincoln Aviator, that comes with two heater cores, one in the front and one in the back. So let's get to it. What's the first thing you're gonna do? Remove your air filter, which is I already did. Remove the whole line. And when you're looking at over here, this is your heater core line right here, all the way in the back. That's your heater core pipes. So with the same tube that you're gonna have two from each line. That's one, and you're gonna have the other one like this. So with this one, to bypass your heater core, you're gonna have to do it just like this. It's the same tube that you're gonna take out from this end over here, which is far inside. So it's the same tube that you're gonna take out and use the same clamps to bypass your heater core. All you do is you take out one end, which is gonna be this end, hooked up over here, the second one, and then you're just gonna loop it to the other end right here, and that's how you bypass your heater core. Now when you do that, remember, if you basically living in a cold climate area, it's cold all the time, you're not gonna have heat. So this process is basically temporarily until you are able to fix the problem. By bypass the heater core, that doesn't mean that you fix the problem. That means that you temporarily fix your problem as far as smelling antifreeze. Okay, as far as smelling antifreeze, that's basically what you do. But if you're living in a climate where it's hot all the time, it's gonna be good for you because you will not need the heat. Let me recap this real quick. This is your heater core. This is one line going in, and this is the other line. It just loop in a circle. It goes from one end and come out from the other line, and then just continue the circle. That's what it is. So you're gonna take one end out, plug to this end over here. You're gonna unplug this end right here, and this line right here that you're looking at, plug to this line. And once you unplug that line, then the other line next to it, which is this line right here, you're gonna unplug that line. And then once you unplug that line, you're gonna eliminate this tube that coming from the second line. You're gonna put that tube on the side. Then you're gonna get the other end of this that came from this end, then you're gonna loop it to this line, and it's gonna look just like this. It's like a U shape, and that's all it is. And that will fix your problem temporarily, but once again, you will not have heat.